Hi, this is Brian AG, and today I'm going to show you two new features that is included in the version 3.9 update. The first one is the photo booth, and you'll see me kind of moving around here on the screen. And the way this works is people can walk up, and they'll be instructed up here at the top to start here, take my picture. And when you click on that, you'll see that it says get ready, 3, 2, 1. You'll hear a little camera noise. And whenever the photo is done, it'll have a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And it says keep or don't keep right below that. So if you're going to keep it, you'll see when I hit keep, it automatically throws a photo over here. It'll ask, do you want to take another photo? If you hit yes, it basically lets them get ready again. They act goofy, do whatever they want to do, takes the picture, and then they got the same option, keep or don't keep. Now, they are able to add as many photos as they want. And when they're done, they'll just say, take another photo, hit no. And then when they hit no, they have the option to email me these photos. And when they click on that, it says, well, who is in these photos? And you have the option to do an RFID scan, which many of you have the TR200. So the way this works, it is at full power, which means it'll pick up about 6 feet away. You can use any readers. So if you wanted to use the TR290 or your Motorola or anything else to pick up a lot further away, you can. But basically you hit RFID scan, it'll pop up a thing where it'll continue scanning until they say finished. And when they do that, it'll add all the people in the list. They also have the option to do a bib number search, where they can come in here and click on the bib number, use the built-in keyboard here, and then hit search, and then it finds the person. And let's say that when the RFID scan occurs, or if they accidentally put in the wrong person, they can check or uncheck the participant there. And they can continue adding numbers in. Let's see, I don't know if this is number or not, 221. So yeah, I found someone else. So they can continue adding people. They can also do a name search. And so basically it's first or last name. And they add the people in. Let's do a popular name, maybe John. See how many Johns are there. So no Johns. But anyways, if they found 3 or 4, they can basically check or uncheck the ones they want. Once they have all that finished, all they do is they hit finish right here. And I'm not going to click it because it will email the photos that we just took to each one of the participants. So that's basically the photo booth, and when we're all finished, of course, it'll come back to the photo booth screen where people are prompted to click on take picture again or email me my photos. Now, if you're located at a place that does not have Wi-Fi, it'll store the photos on the computer, and they won't know any different. It stores the photos on the computer, and then whenever you find yourself at a Wi-Fi hotspot, you pull this back up, and it will automatically email every participant their photo. So that's the photo booth feature. The next feature over here is the results kiosk. Now, depending on what type of race it is, it will show, it'll loop through every race that you've had that day. So today we only had one race, and so it's got Central Outdoors Dare to Run 1 mile run. And it loops through the overall results, the male age division, and the female age division. Now with these, people can still use their finger and scroll all around. And you'll see that at the top, it's got an auto scroll going on. And you can set that to whatever you want. And you can also change the font size to whatever you want. So you just click on it, and you would probably use your mouse on that, but you click on it and then change the numbers however you like. You can also increase or decrease how long it's taking to refresh. So I just moved it from 5 seconds to 9 seconds, and you'll see that it's scrolling slower than it did by default. So I'm going to bump this down a little faster so it goes. So right now I've got 3 seconds. And you'll see that once it gets finished with the female results, it loops back around to the overall. And it will continue looping through all the results, showing everything. The way this is intended to work is you load the database onto a jump drive, you stick it in the computer, and it will refresh itself. You take that jump drive back out, plug it into your finish line computer, and then you can hit one button now and there, F7, to move the drive again. And all you got to do is take it out, plug it back in this machine. You'll see it takes about a half a second. It refreshes itself, and it's all done. So you shouldn't have to close the screen out and modify anything. It should just refresh itself. Now, the way the results kiosk works is people can walk up, and of course they can view the results here. They can also, right now we've got an RFID tag that now it's already picked it up, but basically as people walk up, it automatically shows their name and time down here. Now, by default, it will automatically, let's do one here. let's do 232, that's me, I think. So as someone walks up, or if someone puts a number in, it will automatically select that one, the newest entry. And whenever it's selected, they have the option to hit email or print. Now if we hit email, it will know, hey, we've got your email address in the system, so it will ask, do you want to email your time to this email address? And if you hit no, then they have the option to type in whatever email address they want. So if I click there, I get the keyboard, and I can go type it in. So I'm going to go ahead and hit email, hit yes, and on my phone I should receive a confirmation email that shows my performance. So email sent. And we also have the option to hit print. If they hit print, they're given this little printout right here, which is showing the name, the overall time, their rank, and their age division, and their rank overall, their speed, and their pace per mile. Now, if you're located abroad, it automatically defaults to showing pace per kilometer, and it also shows kilometers per hour. But that's a little printout. Now, if you're a company, a timing company, you can actually change this to look however you want. So if you wanted to put your own logo on here or put timing services provided by ABC timing company, then you can do that yourself.